Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your profile private on the Nomo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, scroll down to the settings section and tap on it. After that, scroll down again to the security section, and if you want to set your profile to private, tap on this button next to it, and that's how you can set it to private, meaning that no one will see your account. However, if you want to set it to public, go back to this section and click on the green button. As you can see, when your profile is in private, others can find it by directly searching for your name, so tap on the button disable. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.